greatest common divisor, in short form GCD, or highest common factor, short form is HCF. Prime factor methods. First example, find the HCF of 24 and 32 by the prime factor method. First find the factors of 24. If I am divided by 2 by 24, I am writing here 2. Then quotient is 12. Now this 12 I am divided by 2. Then quotient is 6. For 6, if I am divided by 2, then quotient is 3. We cannot divide 3 by 2. I am dividing 3 by 1, means 3 and 1. Now check your answer. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. This is vertical arrangement, and now see the horizontal arrangement. 24. How to factorize this 24? 2 multiplied by 12. Now this is 2 as it is. This is 12. 2 multiplied by 6. This is 2 as it is. This 2 as it is. And 6. 2 multiplied by 3. Now these are the factors of 24. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now find the factors of 32. First, if I am divided by 2 by 32, then quotient is 16. For this 16, I am divided by 2, quotient is 8. Again divided by 2, quotient is 4. Again divided by 2, quotient is 2. Now for this 2 divided by 2, 2 ones are, see 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. Now find the factors of 32 by horizontal arrangement. 2 multiplied by 16. Now this 2 as it is. 16, how to write 16? 2 multiplied by 8. 2 as it is. This is 2 as it is. How to write 8? 2 multiplied by 4. 2 as it is. This 2 as it is. This 2 as it is. 4. How to write 4? 2 multiplied by 2. Now see, these are the prime factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2. These are the prime factors of 32. Now you can find the common factors between 24 and 34. Now see, this 2, 2. Hmm? Two. Again this 2, this 2. Again this 2 and this 2. Now see, these are the common factors. 2, 2, 2. Again these 2. Now see, here 3 is remaining and here 2 and 2 is remaining, but these are not common. That's why you just write only the common factors. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And therefore the HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. Now see the next example. See next example. find the HCF of 195, 312 and 546. First, find the factors of 195. We cannot divide by 2, 3 to 195. Directly we divide by 5. Then how to write this 195? 5 into 39. 5 into 39. Now see this 5 as it is, multiply by. How to write this 39? How to factorize this 39? 3 into 13. Can we divide 39 or factorize 39? No. Then stop here. Next, 312. 312. 4 multiplied by 78. Now this 4, how to divide this 4? 2 multiplied by 2, and this 78, 2 multiplied by 39. Now divide this 39. This is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 into 13. 3 into 13. And now last number 546. 2 multiplied by 273. Now this 2 as it is. How to factorize this 273? 3 into 91. This 2 as it is, this 3 as it is. How to factorize this 91? 7 into 13. Now see, these are the factors of 195, 312 and 546. Now you find out the common factors between all these three numbers. 5 is not here and it is not here. See, 3 is there. Here also 3. Here also 3 is there. Three. Now again, which common number is there? See, 13. Here also 13 is there. Also 13. Here also 13 is there. See, only two numbers are common, 3 and 13, 3 and 13, 3 and 13. Therefore, HCF of 195, 312 and 546 is 39.